Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're looking for a hair care product that is going to help you have amazing looking hair, nourish your scalp, strengthen your strands, and enrich your hair, you have to check out the shampoo and conditioner that my husband and I have both been using from California Naturals. Right off the bat, one of the things that impressed me the most is that I can pronounce all of the ingredients on the label. That really gives me confidence to know that what I'm putting on my hair and scalp is actually going to be good for me. So I have long, naturally wavy hair, and I'm also going gray and I dye it. And this hair care can be used for all different types of hair. You'll notice that both the shampoo and the conditioner have an earthy, very herbal scent to them. I think it's very pleasing. So I do 2 washes with the shampoo. Then the conditioner is going to go on your scalp and hair. If you're someone like me that was afraid that putting conditioner on my scalp was going to make it greasy or look icky, you can be confident that this is not going to do that. And it's really healthy for your scalp and will help to encourage hair growth. I got the length and strength set, but California Naturals has other sets that you can choose from that have as amazing ingredients as these ones do. I'm so impressed by the quality of these products. My husband and I both love the way that they make our hair look and feel, and that's our point of view.